Now let's go for an example for the type 1 direct substitution. Now first question is limit x approaches to pi x minus 22/7. Now as I am going with different types of methods, my humble request is just to look how I am approaching for the solution, and you have to go by that steps only, because this is a learning process for the calculus and we are going to get a very nice marks, good marks in board exams. Okay. So now here we are not having any type of overall denominator. Okay. So this becomes, now in place of this x we are going to put pi here, because we are approaching the value of x towards pi. So this becomes pi minus 22/7, and value of pi is 22/7 minus 22/7 so it is 0. Okay. Hence limit x approaches to pi x minus 22/7 is equal to 0. A very simple part. Now going for the second part. Second is limit x approaches to 4 x square minus 2x upon x minus 2. Now the very first step which you have to consider, that is by approaching the given limits, just check it, denominator should not become 0. Okay. So now here if we are putting 4 here, we are not getting 0, then we can proceed it easily. Okay. Now this becomes 4 square minus 2 times 4 upon 4 minus 2. 16 minus 8 upon 2, this is equal to 8 upon 2 is equal to 4. Hence limit x approaches to 4 x square minus 2x upon x minus 2 is equal to 4. Answer.